Let's learn how you can easily add 2, 3 or more pictures to your Instagram stories on both iOS and Android devices. So adding more than one photo can be really useful and you can take your stories to another level with this trick. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The first step that we will do is to open the Instagram app on our device and then swipe to open our Instagram camera. When you open it, you'll see this little photo gallery icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can click that to add your photo regularly, or you can take a photo from the camera. I'll upload a photo from my photo gallery since I have a couple of them ready for my story. So I've added my first photo, and it's time to add another one, or even 2 or 3 more if you want to. What you want to do is to tap on this little sticker icon at the top of the screen and it's going to open your editor with a bunch of different options. We want to find a little icon that looks like our photo gallery icon, and when you click on that icon that's going to open our photos. So just scroll through and find a secondary photo that you want to add to your Instagram stories. The photo will be added, and you can resize it and position it wherever you want on your screen. Keep in mind that you can add even more photos if you want to, so just repeat the steps and have fun. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.